Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. Here is a list of ingredients needed to make 24 currant buns. Gina needs to make 60 currant buns, but the recipe only goes for 24 currant buns. Work out the weight of the butter Gina needs. So we can see here that butter is 100 grams. So for 24 currant buns is equivalent to 100 grams. Then that means for 60 currant buns is equivalent to an unknown amount of grams. We can actually multiply both sides by x, and multiply by 100. So that means that when we divide by 24, 60 times 100 divided by 24 should give us our value. So let's calculate this. 60 times 100 divided by 24 gives us 250 grams of butter. 250 grams. Hans wants to make 30 currant buns. Find the percentage increase in the weight of butter needed to make 30 currant buns as opposed to 24 currant buns. So first we need to find the amount of weightage for 30 currant buns. So again, we use the same formula. 24 is to 100. And here for 30 currant buns is equal to x. So that means it is 100 times 30 divided by 24. Let's use our calculator. 100 times 30 divided by 24 gives us 125. So Hans uses 125 grams of butter, but we need to know the percentage increase, and we simply follow the formula new minus old over old times 100. So the new value is 125. The old value is given as 100. Now we divide by the old value, which is 100, and we multiply that by 100. And we can use a calculator to get our answer. 125 minus 100 divided by 100 and times 100 simply cancels out. So we get a 25% increase. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.